Welcome to the Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Digital Signal Processing Laboratory for 6th semester. Today, I am going to discuss an experiment number 9, that is design and implementation of IIR filters to meet the given specification. In this experiment, we are going to design a low pass, high pass, band pass and band reject filter for Butterworth and also for the Chebyshev approximation. First, we are writing the MATLAB program for the Butterworth low pass filter. In this program, first we have to enter the filter specification, that is pass band and stop band attenuation in dB and stop band and pass band edge frequency in Hertz. Then we are obtaining the order and the cutoff frequency. By that order and the cutoff frequency, we are obtaining the filter coefficient, that is a transfer function h of z. For that transfer function, we are going to plot a magnitude and the phase response. So first, we are writing the program for the low pass Butterworth filter. So we are going to enter the filter specifications, that is pass band attenuation AP, AS stop band attenuation, FP pass band edge frequency, FS stop band edge frequency in Hertz, and FS is a sampling frequency. Once these frequencies are entered, we have to normalize the frequency, that is omega p is equals to 2 into Fp by Fs, and similarly omega s is equals to 2 into Fs by Fs. Once this normalization is done, by using the keyword butod, which will take an input of omega p, omega s, ap and as, and it will return n and omega n, where n is the order of the filter and omega n is the cutoff frequency. Once the n and the cutoff frequency is obtained, by using the keyword butter, which will take n and omega n and return the filter coefficients, where b is the numerator coefficient and a is the denominator coefficients. Once this coefficients is obtained, we will obtain a frequency response of the filter function by using the keyword frix. Then by using the plotting functions, we are going to plot a magnitude and the phase response. So in the plot, in the first subplot, we are plotting a magnitude response, that is 20 log ABS of h, absolute value of h. Then in the subplot 2, we are going to plot an phase response, that is angle of h. Once we enter this program in the MATLAB, then run the program, then input the filter specification. Here I have taken the example as AP as 0.1, AS as 0.2, FP as 250 Hz and FS as 100 Hz and FS as 1000 Hz. By entering these values, you are getting the order of filter n as 1 and omega n as 0.836, that is cutoff frequency, and you will get a b coefficients, that is b0 as 0.8216 and b1 as 0.8216. Similarly, a coefficient a1 as 1 and a2 as 0.6433. Then you will get a magnitude and the phase response. This is for Butterworth low pass filter. Similarly, for a Butterworth high pass filter, so we are following the same steps whatever we have done in the earlier program. First we are going to enter all the filter specifications, that is AP, AS, FP, FS. Then we are normalizing the frequencies. Then we are getting n and omega n. Then while entering the keyword butter, along with n and omega n, we have to specify it as high. By using this function, it will give a filter coefficients for high pass filter. Then again we are following the same steps for plotting the magnitude and the phase response. Again enter this program in the MATLAB window. Then enter the values of the filter specifications. Then you will get the order of the filter, cutoff frequency and the filter coefficients. Then you will get a magnitude and phase response for the high pass filter. Similarly, instead of that high, if you enter it as a pass, so then you will get a filter coefficient for band pass filter. Instead of pass, if you write it as a stop, so you will get a filter coefficient for the band stop filter. So this is for a Butterworth approximation. Similarly, we are going to write a program for Chebyshev low pass filter. So here also we are following the same steps what we are doing in the earlier program. So first we are going to enter the filter coefficients AP and AS in dB, FP and FS in Hertz and a sampling frequency. Then we will do the normalization. Then instead of using a but odd, here we are using the Cheb 1 odd. That is it is a Chebyshev type 1 filter. Here by using this keyword you are getting the n and omega n. That is n is the order of the filter and omega n is a cutoff frequency. Then again instead of using the butter keyword, here we are using Chebby 1 which is for Chebyshev type 1. So here we are entering the value of NAP and omega n. So this will give a filter coefficients for Chebyshev approximation. Again by obtaining the filter coefficient, we are going to plot a magnitude and the phase response by using the plotting functions. So enter that program in the MATLAB window, run the program, enter the filter specifications, then you will get a order, cutoff frequency and filter coefficients for low pass filter. Then you will get a magnitude and the phase response. If you do the same thing for a high pass, so while using the keyword Chebby 1, there you have to specify it as high, so you will get the filter coefficient for high pass filter. The same steps you can follow it for band pass and band stop filter. So by using this experiment, we have designed and implemented all low pass and high pass, band pass and band stop filter for both the approximation. Thank you for watching this video.